All right, today is Wednesday. Yes, on Monday, you guys made your narrative story as good as you could. Yesterday, Tuesday, you guys went on to other people in your group and you made comments and suggestions. So here, today, first go to your own narrative story and resolve the comments made yesterday. When you resolve them, you're actually fixing and adding the details, not just clicking out. Watch this video to see an example. I'm going to pretend like I'm Brennan. So Brennan went back here, right? You're going to see this resolve button. Brennan's going to have two comments from Mr. Westhoff that are, like, hey, good job, I like that. So when he clicks on it, notice how this turned a different color? Great idea. I know exactly when this is happening. He's just going to click resolve, like, hey, thanks Mr. Westhoff for the compliment. Sounds awesome. This one, when I click on it, what did it sound like? The kids ran to the beds and all went on the top bunk when they heard the door open, and the lion starts sniffing aggressively and loud. Then it roars. Oops, I spelled aggressively wrong. Did Brennan fix this? Yeah, he did. So he's going to click resolve. I'm going to erase that quick because that was just pretend. The next one says, did they dash or sprint? And here's the different color. Well, then the children screamed, but the scream was hurting the lion's ears, and they got down off the bed and ran outside and hid behind a bush. Well, they didn't just run and dash. And I'm going to put an ED because this happened in the past. Did he resolve it and fix it? Yes, he did. And here's another one, a great word choice, shocked. Okay, awesome. Thanks, Mr. Westhoff, for the compliment. And he resolves it. Now yours, if you had 4 people check your work and 4 comments each, that's 16. So that's going to be a lot of information. So you're just going to have to make sure you really try your best, okay? And I'm just going to leave dashed for you there for you, Brennan, okay? The next thing, if you do make a mistake, like maybe I'm highlighting this and I accidentally erase it, well, remember, here's your undo button right here, and it comes right back. After you've resolved your comments, it says today to watch your editing goal right here. And then you're going to go onto those 4 people's stories and tell them the part you like about their closing, a way they can make their closing better, if anything, any place where they need a better capital letter, any place where they need better punctuation, and any place where a word is spelled wrong. You'll want to help them with that today also.